We've had chickens and guineas for about 6 weeks now, and I've watched videos and read books, everything about raising chickens and guineas, and I wish I could find a book that talks about them together, but I found the most amazing book. Let me show you my favorite parts. I added a dust bath after I read about it in this book. Feather patterns. I mean, they even have breeds for meat. What the breeds are: internal and external parasites, when birds can be killed, what it means when birds are missing, what? Identification, the color of your eggs are laid by which breeds, toxic plants, body type, and breeds at a glance. I mean, this is just the coolest book, and there's so much more in it. I need more recommendations.